Come in! Come in! Come in! Goddamn it, come in! Randall, I see you, come in!
No, I ain't locked out, you dumb shit. It's just me, Randall, man. Who's in there?
Oh, just some people, man. What's it to you? What are you doing here, Randall?
What the hell do you think I'm doing?
What are you doing here, Randall?
Damn it, John, I thought I'd forget you, but you've been in my dreams ever since I left.
What are you doing here, Randall?
You think I came to gather clothes for Salvation Army? I didn't do any of those things.
Then what are you doing here? That's what I'm asking you.
I'm getting the band back, brother. Some Southern rock.
God damn it, Randall!
What's the problem?
You don't know what the problem is.
What's the problem? You still play drums?
Jerry died 3 years ago, Randall! God damn it!
Oh, shit.
Why are you here, Randall?
You tell me you have no reason to expect me after our song just hit #1 on the billboards?
That was 15 years ago, Randall! God damn it, Randall!
Who died?
Jerry died. You remember Jerry? Bass guitar, tall,
What color hair did he have?
yellow.
Yellow hair, tall, and bass. Yeah, you gotta be shitting me.
You grew up with him, Randall! God damn it!
You gotta be shitting me. He's dead?
I'm not shitting you. Where have you been? What are you on right now?
I just replied to 6 of his emails last week because I just found out about email.
He wrote those to you 6 years ago, Randall. God damn it!
So you're telling me we haven't had #1 in 16 years.
That's right.
Jerry's dead.
Correct.
I'm still high on heroin.
God damn it.
And there's the internet now?
Yes.
Damn, where have I been?
Been in rehab,
For
dummy!
16 years? Man, I must have been shooting up the whole time I was in rehab. Oh, this is the wrong band. I'm in Poison.
God damn it, Randall!